Welcome to the Meamedica DNA Test Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through each step so you can collect your sample easily and correctly. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. About 30 minutes before taking your sample, please don't eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum. This way, we make sure your sample is clean. Step 2. Open the box and take out the tube carefully. Just be sure not to touch the cotton tip. Hold it by the plastic part only. Step 3. Now, gently rub the swab along your lower gum at the back of your mouth, about 10 times. Try to avoid your teeth. Step 4. Great. Now repeat the same motion on the other side of your mouth. Again, 10 times along the lower gum. Almost done with the collection part. Step 5. Keep the tube upright so the liquid doesn't spill. Unscrew the cap with the swab, but don't touch the cotton. Step 6. Place the swab into the tube and screw the cap back on tightly. Make sure it's nice and secure. Step 7. Flip the closed tube upside down and shake it around 15 times. Good. Give it a nice, even shake. Step 8. Now, place the tube into the pouch provided. Step 9. Seal the pouch tightly so no liquid can leak, just in case the tube breaks. Step 10. Finally, put the pouch into the return envelope and seal it carefully. Double-check that the recipient's address is on the envelope and send it back to us. On hot or sunny days, it's best to drop it off directly at a post office. And that's it. Thank you for completing your Meamedica DNA test. We look forward to receiving your sample.